Hey guys, and welcome to T-Mobile G1 apps. And today is, March 17th. And yeah, I guess it's the first day of March and I haven't posted a video in a while. So let's get started. There's been a lot of changes in the Android market as of lately. It's not even called the Android market anymore. It's called the Google Play Store. I don't know if it'll focus in or not, but it's called the Google Play Store. And what Google's trying to do here is integrate all their little media networks like Google Movies, Google Music, and the Android market. They're trying to link all those, including the bookstore, trying to link all of those together into one ecosystem, like, let's say, iTunes and Amazon, for example. They're trying to match up on par with all of them, as well as create a better user experience for everybody in the Android world and people that aren't really familiar with the Android network, as well I am, but I don't know if any of you guys are. So this video is basically demonstrating Google Music and the new Play Store, which isn't really new. If you use the Android market, you know everything already, but that's really it. So we're gonna go to Google Play Music. It's called Play Music now, and what Play Music is essentially the same thing as, well, Google Music in the first place, except now it's called Play Music. But what's really cool about this is it's basically like iCloud. You can play it offline anywhere, anytime you want to. You don't have to have signal. It's automatically on your device and get the same good features like add a playlist, instant mix, shop for artists, and play. And there's playing a song. Like, for example, Don't Stop, Color on the Walls. And it pulls it down from the cloud. And essentially, it will do it. I don't get copyright, so I'm just going to stop that right now. And pretty much it's the same type of interface. You put it this way. Well, theoretically, okay, if you put it that way, theoretically it should rotate, and then you also have your cover flow within the recents, as you see. Pretty much the same idea here. That's really all Google Music is, and it's the same thing, same concept. If you don't know it, I have a link to my Google Music video down below. See my finger right there down below. So I'll have a link to the old review with Google Music in it. But other than that, that's really all it is, and all there is to it. And then let's go to the Google Play Store. Sorry guys, it's a kind of weird thing. We're going to also review Pandora in a second, but Google Play Store, this is a little update. It says Google Play at the top now. And if my market wants to not be stupid while I'm on YouTube. Oh, here's a video.
There's a new place to find.
Let's watch the video.
Place to find all your favorite music. Introducing Google Play. Add up to 20,000 of your songs for free. Or find something new on the web. And share it with your friends.
Well, that's pretty much Google Music in a nutshell for you. Google explains it better than I can, apparently, which they really can. So you upload it via Google Music Uploader, which you download from Google, and you can upload your iTunes library onto Google Music, which is really cool. So here's the same old app store that we're all used to, with your apps, movies, music, and books everywhere. And then you should scroll down and just look at apps and all that, with the music being right there. And that's really it. If you have T-Mobile, you have the free live T-Mobile songs. Free live T-Mobile songs. It used to be just free songs, but then I don't know what happened. But that's pretty much Google Music for you guys in Google Play Store. Now let's get on with the real stuff. Today we're going to review a little bit of something called, well, let's just get on with Opera Mini Next browser. It's Opera Mini Next browser is pretty much, I don't know if I'm saying it right, but it's Opera, and it's the same browser, the big O, you know, the big O, the big O. Pretty much it just sums everything up, and it's this is the fastest browser I've been on. I did on Safari on my iPod Touch, the 4th generation one. This is an old Android phone, and it still beat it. We're both on the same Wi-Fi network, and this beat it by horribly fast speeds. So if you don't believe me, let's go somewhere like New York Times. And go. See the blue bar, and bam, it's done. It is done. That, my iPod was still loading it, and you can still zoom in greatly and zoom out ungreatly by double tapping. I mean, it's a really fast thing. There's your bookmarks. You can just scroll through your bookmark. It's really cool. You can add a new bookmark if I wanted to. Let's go back here to bookmark page. So bookmark page, you have your Google search right here. You can change it if you don't want it. You can have Amazon, eBay, Wikipedia. And you can go to other addresses like YouTube. And it'll go. I mean, this thing is a really nice browser. I really am in love with it. I never really liked Opera until now, because now I realize how fast it is, and it's furious, and I'm pretty sure it has Flash for non-sucky-ish Android devices, but I am not sure. And as you see, it's a really fast browser. I recommend it. Give it a thumbs up. I recommend it. Go give it a try. It's amazing and beautiful. It's just a well-rounded designed browser, and I'm pretty sure you guys will love it. I know you guys will love it. You get your options by pushing there. You can look at your downloads, save pages, find pages, your bookmarks. But I believe, oh, that's not this one. Okay, I'm just kidding. Your settings, which you can look at image quality, font sizes. You have your status bar. If you don't want your status bar, you can get rid of that. Navigation bar, which is pretty much when you scroll. Zoom in. When you scroll really fast, you have that little button, and it'll take you to the top automatically, which is really handy, as you see. So that is Opera Mobile. What is it called? Opera Mini Next browser, which is really nice. Now we're going to take a look at Pandora. Oh, by the way, guys, if you wonder why my voice kind of hurts, well, because my voice kind of hurts when I talk, it's because I just did a cinnamon challenge. And if you guys don't know it, go look at my video on my vlog channel. Go subscribe to it too if you want. It's horrible. Ugh, don't feel right. But yeah, here's Pandora. I'm sorry about this glare. I don't know what's wrong by my window, as you see. Window. Okay. So here's Pandora. Pretty much it's Pandora, your internet music radio, where you can have all your stations. And I don't want to get copyrighted by music, so we'll play a little bit at a time. And then you have all your stations. You can add stations. You can have a quick mix of all your stations. Which, I don't know, it's going to be this station. Paper Gangster by Lady Gaga. There we go. It's great music. Ugh, I don't like Lady Gaga. But pretty much, it's a really nice thing. I really like it. I use it every day of my life. I really do use it all the time. It's one of those things where I can't put down. I have a Taylor Swift radio station right here. I love Taylor Swift. Don't make fun of me. Taylor Swift's amazing. So, back to December. Oh, I'm sorry about my horrible singing, guys. I'm sorry. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's Pandora. I recommend it. It's for music fans. I really love Pandora. I'm sorry about the fast little reviews on both of the apps, because I'm trying to hurry up since the Play Store and Play Music kind of ruined the whole video. I had more apps installed and we're gonna start doing things, okay? Well, I'll talk to you guys later. Be sure to subscribe Tell me some apps I have not reviewed yet, some apps I have not discovered. Please comment those below. If you would love me to review them, please comment those below. I'll give you a shout out if you do. And so on, so on. Well, thank you guys. Follow me on Twitter and subscribe to my vlogs and subscribe to this thing. Ooh, I'm having you subscribe to a lot of things. If you just don't want to subscribe to my vlog, subscribe to this thing. I don't care. Love you guys, and I'll see you later. Take care. Bye, everybody.